talking about multi-digit whole number operations. Specifically, we're talking about two-step word problems that involve measurement conversion. So I'm going to do one of those for you now, and hopefully that helps you out a little bit. So first one today, we have Lisa's cat, and Lisa's cat had 6 kittens. And when Lisa and her brother weighed all the kittens together, they weighed 4 pounds 2 ounces. Now, because all the kittens are almost the same size, about how many ounces does each kitten weigh? So we're going to take that same idea we did before, and we're going to expand on that. So right now, we have a problem. We have, why don't we do a tape diagram of this? So we have just a basic breakdown of this, and she had how many kittens? Well, she had 6 kittens right there, and they total weighed about 4 pounds 2 ounces. So the entirety of all the kittens is 4 pounds and 2 ounces, right? And there are how many? There are 6 of them. So I'm going to split this in 6. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. So we have a total of 6. So what we need to figure out is how much is each kitten going to weigh. So this is where our question comes in. That's our question mark. How much does each kitten weigh? Well, remember when we're setting this up, we're just going to take this poundage, okay? The pounds, 4 pounds, and we're going to change that to ounces, because then we can just add on that 2 ounces at the end. So if we have 4 pounds, what's 4 pounds equal to? Well, if we go back to yesterday's video, if we remember, go back to the previous concept that we talked about, 4 pounds is the same as 4 times 1 pound. Okay, 4 times 1 pound, right? And so we can change that. How do we change that? Well, we simply have to know, well, how many pounds, what's 1 pound to ounces? Well, you can look that up, or I can tell you that for every 1 pound, there are 16 ounces. So now our problem becomes, instead of just 1 pound, we can change it to ounces, because that's what we wanted. How many ounces does each kitten weigh? So we're going to change that to ounces, so 16 ounces. And now our problem becomes just a little easier. So 16 times 4 is 64 ounces. Now, this is where we need to be careful, because we have to remember that we also have an extra 2 ounces, and this is just 4 pounds. This isn't 4 pounds plus 2 ounces. At the very end, we need to add 2 more ounces. So we add 2 more ounces, we would get 66 ounces. Now again, this is not our final answer. Each kitten does not weigh 66 ounces. This is saying that this is equivalent to 66 ounces, which means that this total bar, this whole entire bar, is 66 ounces. Okay, we need to know how much 1 kitten weighs, right? We need to know just 1 kitten. So because there are 6 of them, it becomes a division problem. 66. Or how much is each one, or what, if we split this 66 equally, what's going to be in each one? Now if you divided it by 6, you could do that, or you can just think in units. If 6 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, if 6 units is equal to 66 ounces, how much is 1 unit going to be? 1 unit is going to be, oops, spelled that wrong, sorry about that. 1 unit is going to be 11 ounces. So 1 kitten weighs about 11 ounces. Okay, that would be our final answer. I'm going to erase this conversion right here and put our answer in there. So we'll just say each kitten weighs about 11 ounces. And we say about only because it says about how many ounces, and they say because all the kittens are almost the same size. So I'm just going to say each kitten weighs about 11 ounces. All right, so that's how you would do that problem. That's how that would break down.